Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix personal hotspot not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. First solution, you have restart your iPhone. Some minor software glitch may also prevent the personal hotspot from working on your iPhone. A simple restart of your iPhone will help to clear these minor software glitches and error. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restarted, then your problem will be fixed. Second solution, you have changed your iPhone name. Other devices will not connect to your iPhone's hotspot if you accidentally connect to your iPhone to a different Wi-Fi network. To resolve this network naming conflicts, you can change your iPhone name from settings. So you have open the setting, click on general, click on about a model name, then you have click here, and then you have click here, then you have changed the name on your iPhone. So then you have connect you have try the connect another device. Then third solution, you have reset network setting. The personal hotspot will not work if there is an error with the network connection. Thus reset network setting is reported to be another effective solution to fix hotspot not working error. As well as any other 3D problems on your iPhone, you have go to the setting, and then you have click on general again, reset, and then you have tap on reset transfer or reset iPhone. Then you have tap on reset network setting. After that, the Wi-Fi password and Bluetooth device will be removed. You have to enter a Wi-Fi password, and then you have pair Bluetooth device again on your iPhone. So you have reset network setting gone, and then you have while reset network setting update is gone. Then fourth solution, you have reset all setting. This method is also considered as the feasible option to help in such the situation. Then you have same option. So you have again open the general, click on transfer, reset all setting, iPhone given a passcode, then you have enter a passcode. Then fifth solution, you have update iOS on iPhone. Outdated version of iOS can also lead to many software error, so it is important to install the latest version of iOS and check if can the fix personal hotspot not working problem. Open the setting again. So you have click on again general, click on software, iOS latest version on your iPhone available, so you must be installed on your iPhone, then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.